All right, welcome back today, traders. It is a beautiful but rainy day today here in PA. Sun is not shining, birds are always chirping, and I hope you're out here enjoying this beautiful afternoon in what we call life. Getting into today's trade recap, I did not take much. One small scalp, pretty much break even in and out. Did not like the tape today. Um, we were breaking down throughout London, tested previous 4 hour lows, swept a key level, this 130 range. We're within our first 15 minutes. I'm not going to take this. Not enough structure, market data. It's essentially gambling. That's why I don't love the trade in this window. We then reject, find a base around that Asia open, Asia low. Twist up. Had mixed bag on the VIXY. Tried catching it in here. I did not. Didn't want to chase. I found a top at that previous 4 hour high. Rejected about 50% retracement of that move. I then went for the breakout and the push above this New York high. So I was looking for a push to that 4 hour high, maybe consolidate and base, in this range here. And then I was looking for this push a little higher if we could get it. But essentially, that's what my target range was. I would have taken some TP right here in this range. You're looking at, 69 to 316, nice 50-point move around in that range. You're running 10 micros, that's a grand. I was running 5 today, just given we have FOMC news, very volatile with the war. As you see, I was literally about to go long again, and I did not because we were we were purple heading into red on that TTM. We had a mixed bag throughout the VIXY, Mag 7, but we're still looking like we're heading down on this chart prime oscillator as well. I don't want to buy on purple, at times on red, as you see, we'll start to grind up when we're on red, in this range here. But I just didn't want to buy being this low on purple. Usually we do drop a little bit. What was different though, and why I bought here, was we're purple, we're expanding, we're extending, we're basing above a key level, looking like support. Trump tweeted right here about rejecting the deal, so that's what that was. And I had a buy order in, literally about to rebuy this key level, looking for that push to the 4 hour high that we got, scalp 30, 40, 50 points. A nice, move on this day. Trump tweets, reject, Iran deal, and just straight drop. So I didn't get in. I would have been stopped out immediately. I was done for the day then. This chop, we have the FOMC was at 2:30. Still going on now. We have some earnings for tech. So I just wasn't going to play with this at that point in time. We reject again. Base off the Asia open, Asia low. Retest that key level. Reject. Base off the previous 4 hour low. These are great probability trades here, but I was done. I was cutting grass, running a couple errands, and just this chop, this is crazy today with this news, with the war, with everything. This is why you have to protect capital. And this is so volatile, as we see in this hour, literally up and down 100 points multiple times. And right here is the FOMC. We got the news at 2 p.m., 100-point drop. We chop, base, again, same levels, so if you're trading range, this is great. I was going to trade this given the chop, the news, the volatility. Like, you get stopped in this or stuck in this, you're out quick. So why you know, I'm not going to trade this again. Found a base. You know, Mr. Powell was talking, and they just ripped previous 4 hour high. Great short this area, sweep previous 4 hour high, reject the New York high, wick above. We did get a small candle closure above, but again, we're rejecting higher. The candle closure on the body lower. We're probably going to go down lower. We could even, you know, retest. If we get below this 6-6 level, we're going to retest this Asia Open. I mean, theoretically, like, you know, we did base and hit off VWAP, off this 200 as well, but we're below this Bravo. We're probably going to drop. They could base here, even at this level like they did here, and then retest. But we're looking like we're extended. We're about to drop on the lower time frames. Higher, same thing. You know, I'd be more bearish on the hour, wick above. 4 hour, I'm neutral, probably more bullish to be honest. On the 4 hour, considering so yeah, I'd be bullish for 4 hour, but on your lower time frames, a little bit more bearish. As long as they hold this level, they should be fine. But you know, we'll see. So light day, I lost $5, $6. I just was not going to trade this chop. I'm only down like 480 on this account. I have to push it through the next like week and a half, which we will. Just staying consistent in days like this. There's no point to trade this volatility, this chop, news driven. Protect the capital. Move on to tomorrow. So again, I appreciate if you found any value. Please like and subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow. Stay up, stay blessed, stay positive. Make it happen. Oh.